Teka lang. Mag-break mo na ako. Hindi na lang ako. Isa pa lang yun. Marami-rami pa yung nakaantay din sa likod. Yan ang ladies and gentlemen. Eto, inaabangan ko rin. Inaabangan ko talaga kasi etong dalawa. Eto yung sinasabi ko na Maladonya at Maladon ang dating ninyo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we also give our loudest applause to the handsome and, of course, the beautiful parents of our group. We are Mr. and Mrs. Dominiano and Juan Phil Sevilla. Ito po yung nagpapatunay na hindi pa nauuso ang rayuma at arthritis. Okay, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin ang parents ng ating beautiful couple. Napakaging ng parents. Aba, ito parang dito, mag-pressure talaga itong nakasunod. Ayan. Sabi nga nila, kung pagandahan, pagbatuhan, pamatsyohan at paseksihan ng labanan, hindi rin po magpapatalo ang ating bridesmaids at groomsmen dyan, lalo na kung ang pinag-uusapan ay ang pagalingan sa gilingan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we give a hand as we welcome also today our bridesmaids and groomsmen, starting off with Paul, Alvin, Juan, and Jihan ang pagtuan! Oh, saya mo yan eh! Alright, okay, kasama kayo pumunta. Ayan na pa kayo. Okay, and of course for our second pair, we are Junior Camilles and Mary Hope Gutierrez! And for our third pair, we have Rose, Services, Alaport, and Lorraine with Kison. Lights, camera, action! Oh, galing na! May nag-request ata ng song na yun. And for another pair, we have Michael, Sonny, and Jonaline Magallanes! Kasi ang galing ng sige, ganyan po. Ito po yung tamang parang parodiya. Ayan. DJ! Sige, go po yan! Ayan, ang galing ni Kuya. Parang nagpo-push up lang, pero maganda mo. Ay, sana all. Okay, good gym, siguro sa Kuya. And also, ladies and gentlemen, for our last pair today, we have Kim, Samo, and Evangeline Mopon! Okay! Oh. Hindi, akala ko ba? Sige. And ladies and gentlemen, ito inaabangan din ng lahat kung paano nila mapapantayan ang init ng pagalingan sa gilingan. Let us also welcome our best man, Mayor of Honor, John Henship, for Sevilla and Hazel Calibre! And of course, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we are waiting for. But before I formally introduce you our beautiful couple, I would like to ask everybody to please stand. Magsilayo tayo lahat, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome today, for the very first time, as husband and wife, none other than the man and the woman of the hour, Juan and Jen, is finally Mr. and Mrs. Sevilla! Thank you so much, everyone. You can take your seats.